Hi, my name is Paul Anderson. I'm author of The Sales Pro, and I want to talk today regarding the law of numbers. So what exactly is that? It's ratios that you'll look at that really reinforce, for example, how many calls that you're having to make before you get an appointment, how many appointments you're doing before you get a presentation, or how many presentations you're doing before you actually get a sale. These are ratios that the Sales Pro focuses on to ensure that they're improving and not declining. The average performer won't even look at these. And yet the Sales Pro is focused on them because they want to get better. It's called raising your standard. When you look at ratios, what you're able to do is redefine, when you want to get better, where you need to focus your training. Why is it called a law? Why is it the law of numbers? Because a law is usually something that is reinforced when something happens over and over again. You get a certain result pretty consistently. This is what the law of numbers equates to when you start to look at your ratios. So if you start to analyze more details of what you're doing, you'll start to achieve better results. There's two ways you can achieve better results in sales: make more calls or be more effective on the calls that you're making. So for example, one perfect example is simply where you're doing a certain number of presentations and you're closing a certain number of calls from those presentations. Somebody may not be feeling that they're actually getting the results they're actually expecting, and they're not closing the number of sales that they would like to. When you start to review it, you start to analyze it more closely, it could be that you're actually presenting to people that can't make a decision. So it isn't closing skills that's needed, it's actually more of a redefinition and a strategy on who you're targeting in actually getting that appointment and getting that presentation. This gives you the ability to move forward to the next level in the sales process, to take the risk out of sales and to move yourself forward in a way that you could actually start to become a sales pro faster and more effectively than you ever thought possible. Take the law of numbers, take the risk out of sales, and move yourself forward to the next level. Good selling.